Need advice? Download the free Hello Doctor app on any mobile phone and connect with our doctors right away for reliable personal advice. Go to hellodoctor.com and chat to a doctor anytime, anywhere for less than the cost of an apple a day. No one ever wants to hear the words, "You have cancer." But every year, 12 million people worldwide will hear just that. With 1 in 4 South Africans being affected by cancer, it's almost impossible to remain untouched by the terrifying disease. Perhaps one of the biggest misconceptions about cancer is that it only affects the white, the wealthy, and the elderly. That belief could not be further from the truth. Cancer is the great equalizer that knows no boundaries. In South Africa, when certain skin cancers are excluded, statistics show that black South Africans are diagnosed nearly 50% more often than white South Africans. If you're a Facebook regular, you may have seen several posts about a cure for cancer being found. Exotic combinations of everything from herbs to vitamins are sold and marketed as potential cures. And the medical fraternity always crushes all of these claims. Why? Because they themselves make too much money treating cancer patients. Is that true? You really believe that? It's the biggest myth of the lot, I'm afraid. We know that it's just a conspiracy theory simply because doctors and scientists, along with their families, die of cancer at the same rate as everyone else. To date, every well-researched and validated medical breakthrough has been quickly announced and applied. I mean, just think about vaccinations and antibiotics. To quote the late great Patrick Swayze, who died of pancreatic cancer in 2009, "If anybody had that cure out there, like so many people swear to me they do, you'd be 2 things. You'd be very rich and you'd be very famous." Cancer is not one disease, but many different diseases with different causes. For that reason alone, one breakthrough cure for cancer is unlikely to come along. There probably won't be one date in history when people remember that the cure for cancer was announced, just as infectious diseases weren't conquered on one particular day. Instead, every year will bring more and more cures for more and more types of cancer. Cancer is scary, but don't forget that treatment options and outcomes have never been better, and they continue to improve. Just knowing that anyone could be diagnosed with some form of cancer at any time gives us all the more reason to learn and understand the risks of the disease. Of course, it's natural for people to have concerns and questions, but rather talk to your doctor about what you've heard or read than believing everything you read online. Need advice? Download the free Hello Doctor app on any mobile phone and connect with our doctors right away for reliable personal advice. Go to hellodoctor.com and chat to a doctor anytime, anywhere for less than the cost of an apple a day.